welcome. This is Glowwyangel. Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you two different face adjustments. I feel like this one has been gatekeepered quite a lot, and I finally found a source on how to make these, so I'll be showing you how to make them. Hope you like it. We'll start with this first one here. Go on to eyes 78 on page 4. Either you can follow my adjustments or you can do it however you want to, but you want to make your eyes as thin as possible if you want it to be styled like how I'm styling it. On hats, go into glasses and pick glasses 21 on page 2. Make the first and second colour the exact same colour of your skin tone, but leave that outline black or the colour of your eyelashes. Make them skinny, then put them on the top of your eyes. On accessory middle, pick accessory number 46. Turn all the colours to your skin colour, both the main colours, the secondary colour and the outline. Now with that accessory, you just want to adjust it however you want. Just make sure you put it down in the middle. After you've done that throughout this part, you can just adjust it however you want. Do any kind of fix up. If you want it to be slanted upwards, just on the eye rotation, just turn it however. Just try to make it look right. Whatever looks right for you, just adjust it. Also, turn the eye highlighter off. It has this more edgy look.
Kick.
Just sort out your hair however you want to, just do what you need to do. And voila, the eyes are done. Now we're just going to move on to the small unimportant bits about the rest of the face. Go onto face, then onto blush, then adjust the position the way I'm doing it. For the nose, you can pick whatever nose you want, but make the colour a lighter colour than your skin tone and just adjust it slightly downward and more circular. For the mouth, again, you can adjust it however you want, but I prefer for this style to make the mouth a bit smaller, more thin, and put it towards the face, forward, where the nose is pointing to. Now for the eyebrows, for this style I recommend using more thicker eyebrows than thinner ones. You can use the eyebrows that I'm doing. For this, don't make an outline, just make it one singular colour. For this one I'm making it all black, but the eyebrow colour depends on your on your hair colour. Whatever your hair colour is, make it a darker colour. If it's already a dark colour, make it black. Or if it's a really light color like white, just make it a darker color. Et voila! We are finished. This is the first face adjustment. Now let's go on to the second one here. For this one, there isn't a specific eye that you can use. You can use whatever you want, but for this one I am using eye 82 on page 5. Okay, for this I need you to make the eye as thin as possible. For your eye colouring, make the eye colour black or whatever colour you want. For the eyelashes, make it the colour of your skin tone. With your eyebrows, pick eyebrow 14 on the first page, then adjust it all the way down to your eyes. Make it longer, make it thicker. This will act as eyelashes for the eyes. On face accessory middle, pick accessory 92 for your eyeshadow. Just make the colour like a deeper, darker colour than your skin tone, or to be honest, any colour you want, it doesn't really matter, but this will act as your eyelids and your lower eyelids. To be honest, when you're making your face adjustments, I suggest that you take the bangs out of the way. For me, it gives more space. It allows me to see the eyes better. For the nose, we're just going to do the same thing we did last time. You can pick any one you want, but just make the colour lighter than your skin tone, and just adjust it to make it a bit more thin and round and pointing down. Do the same thing we did with the blush, a darker colour, adjust it to make it show very not much. Et voila, we are finished! And that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or anything you want me to do, just ask and I'll do my best to get to it. That's all for now. Bye!